One story that has led to full-on national uproar and outrage and a lot of questions, a can of worms. It was about the young IAS trainee officer Pooja Khedkar's patterns and developments that were coming in this case. And the latest I have is that the cops are now going to tighten the news with regard to the mother whose video has gone viral. It was an undated video where she is seen brandishing a pistol and in an intimidating tone speaking to some farmers about land. She appeared to be threatening them, and according to the cops, they are saying that the father, who to begin with was in the dock for the agencies, he's not cooperating much with the investigation. Cops are searching the family's bungalow as well, which according to our colleagues on the ground is about 30 crore rupees, and that's why many are asking how does that fall under the non-creamy layer status. Cops earlier also seized Pooja Khedkar's personal Audi vehicle on which she had put the red beacon and a Maharashtra government nameplate. Omkar Wable is now joining me. I want to immediately bring you the latest that he's getting. Omkar has been constantly trying to connect the dots in this big case. Omkar, tell me this. Why is the mother now in the dock? Because she's not directly connected to the case. And why are the cops saying that father is not cooperating with them?
After the viral video, police are looking after this Khedkar family because both names, I mean the Dilip Khedkar, father of Pooja Khedkar, and Manorama Khedkar, who was threatening the farmers and she was trying to intimidate with the pistols. Both names are mentioned in the freshly lodged FIR, which was given by the farmer who was threatened in that land dispute. And that is why Pune Rural Police are looking after this Khedkar family. So interestingly, after launching the FRI against both of them, Manorama Khedkar is not reachable. Police are trying to reach at her. Already checked all the residences located in the Pune, even outskirts in the Pune, but she is not reachable. Neither she is contacting anyone, nor she is cooperating in the whole investigation. And that is why police by tonight they'll wait. They'll wait. They already issued the notice. They already stick the notice outside of her house. Some violation of Arms Acts also are there. And interestingly, 504, 506 sections as per IPC are mentioned in the FIR, basically, which is a criminal intimidation. So serious allegations on her. But just because she is not cooperating, neither her lawyer is ready to cooperate to police, and that is the only reason Pune Rural Police at any time they could launch a search operation against Manorama Khedkar. This is exclusively on India Today. Looks like the family is high on power, refusing to cooperate. Omkar, but remember the day when you had gone to the bungalow to report, and she was the one at the gate who had come with a threatening, intimidating tone, pointing at the media persons and saying, we'll take all of you to court. And today, with more and more details coming against them, they somehow felt that they are beyond the law. Omkar, tell me this. Yes, go ahead. Where is this case heading? Because many will say the focus has to be her credentials, and that questions are being raised. How is the family getting dragged into this? So from the beginning, I guess only probationary IAS officer Pooja Khedkar was in the whole probe. She was in the controversy. But later on, when video came into the light, India Today exclusively ran that video. We spoke to that farmer exactly what happened in the whole land dispute. Then we got to know, and farmer was threatened by the bouncers and pistols, and some gundas were there. She came out there. She tried to threaten them. Even though video was recorded a year ago, but still, even that time, police did not record any kind of FIR. Police did not mention the statement of farmer. They did not mention that she was holding a pistol. After breaking story on India Today, police lodged a fresh FIR after taking the statement of farmer, and that is why now they are looking for the Dilip Khedkar, a former IAS officer and father of probationary IAS officer Pooja Khedkar, and Manorama Khedkar. She's a mother in the whole case. She was holding the pistol in her hand and trying to threaten the farmers. So now Khedkar family, we can say trouble is mounting on Khedkar family. Total 5 names are mentioned in the whole FIR. So police are looking after all of them. So
because
at any
also,
time,
Omkar,
Pune
what you're
Rural
telling us
Police
is
can
interesting.
launch,
This means that it's not by herself that she had put forth this arrogance as this young trainee officer. Did she have some sort of experience that she had seen around her? Was she being told by someone to go ahead and demand special privileges, which eventually raised an alarm? Omkar, please keep tracking all the latest in this big case, but it looks like that it's not just the officer anymore, that the news is tightening around the family. And the father, remember, was the one in public domain. Former civil servant, he'd been a Neta as well, contested elections. So after the probe intensifying against the IAS trainee officer Pooja Khedkar, and the mother also is now in the focus. The 35-year-old officer's mother, her conduct, while the officer's conduct and selection process is also under the fire, this video of the mother that has surfaced threatening a farmer over some land dispute and with a pistol. Her name is Manorma Khedkar. That has also now led to a huge showdown, and perhaps collectively the cops are going to look at what exactly is this family about. Let's tell you in this coming report what exactly is the big controversy.
IAS trainee Pooja Khedkar and her family are under scrutiny for alleged misuse of power and cheating in UPSC exam. The 34-year-old officer's conduct and selection process are under investigation after claims of alleged misuse of disability and OBC quota surfaced. Pooja, a 2023 batch IAS officer, claimed non-creamy layer status to receive OBC quota benefits. However, documents show her family has assets worth over ₹60 crores. She also claimed visual impairment but allegedly skipped the mandated physical examination by AIIMS 6 times. As the probe intensifies, more revelations have emerged. Sources told India Today that in 2007, Pooja secured MBBS admission at a Pune college under the OBC nomadic tribe quota. She also did not submit any proof of disability during admission. Pooja's mother, Manorma Khedkar, is also facing legal issues. Pune police has issued a show-cause notice to Manorma Khedkar under the Arms Act after a video of her brandishing a gun and threatening villagers surfaced. While Pooja remains silent on the allegations against her and her family, her father defended the IAS probationer by refuting all allegations.
ये जो बार-बार एलिगेशन लगाए जा रहे हैं नॉन क्रीमिलियर के ऊपर, क्या सच में वो नॉन क्रीमिलियर से अप्लाई किया था या क्रीमिलियर से अप्लाई किया था?
नहीं, इसके लिए अभी कमेटी अपॉइंट की है। हाँ, बराबर है। हाँ, अभी कमेटी के सामने जो कुछ भी है वो सब जाएगा ना। अभी एक वो लीगल प्रोसीजर स्टार्ट हुई है, सब जुडिशियल मैटर है। हाँ, तो उसके ऊपर बोलना मुझे नहीं लगता है कि ठीक है। जो कुछ भी है रूल के हिसाब से है, जो कुछ भी हो, अपना ओबीसी का हो या पीएच का हो, सब रूल के हिसाब से है, सब अथॉरिटी ने, एजेंसी ने वो चेक किया हुआ है, उसमें कुछ भी गलत नहीं है।
Allegations of irregularities in Pooja Khedkar's case could impact the credibility of the civil services exams if loopholes are not addressed soon. Bureau Report, India Today.